masaya na walang problema nadarama. Sa bawat hakbang ng aking daan, laging mayroong nobya, laging may problema. Kung sa pakapalan lamang naman, di sinasadyang ako ay ganyan. Kahit dalas masubo sa alangan, masaya nga ngunit laging nasasabit. Macho! Kupito raw ako, ngunit isip ko na may gulong-gulo. Macho! Kupito raw ako, di nagigiliwan dahil may pangalan.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
Welcome. Good evening. Hello, my friend. Naalala na, sobrang dami natin yun. Naalala ko na dati na biggest of party kami. Apat na kami. Ako yung dalawang mag-asawa, kami yung wife ko. Yan yung sobrang dami na. Ayun, sana next year, mas marami tayo. Enjoy.
Yay!
Ngayon naman, start na tayo ng ating paraffol. So,
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hale and Hardy, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, we sing to you. May all your dreams come always true.
Happy birthday.
We sing to you forever and
Happy
ever. Happy birthday, we sing to you. May all your dreams come always
Happy
true. Happy
birthday.
birthday, we sing to you forever and ever.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
We sing happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come, may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come, may all your dreams come
Happy
true.
birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y di tayo malasing. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang tugtugan, sa'yo ang sayawan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y lumigaya ang lahat. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Yay, picture. 1, 2, 3. Yay.
Hi sir, happy birthday!
Sir, sabi nila 'di ba, life begins at 40, pero 41 ka na 'di ba?
Opo, kaya idol kita sir eh. At the age of 41, walang chicks. Ayun, sir, salamat kasi napaka ano nyo po sa amin, mahaba ang pasensya ninyo kahit marami kaming pagkakamali yung solusyon ho agad yung lagi nyong iniisip, hindi yung pagkakamali namin. Maraming salamat sir.
Maraming salamat sir, you
Opo.
are super understanding sir. Tsaka
Opo.
kapag nagkakamali nga kami, mas pinipili yung maging cool and calm. Never namin kayo narinig na nagalit. Super bait yun talaga, sir.
At saka never natin nakita si sir na nagreklamo.
Oh, hindi
Maraming salamat sir. Blessing ka ni Lord sa amin sir. Maraming salamat po. Palagi po namin kayo ipagpipray. Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir. Again, sir, happy birthday, sir.
Birthday!
We wish you all the best.
We love you sir. We love you sir.
We love you, we love you. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye po. Thank you po.
Hi sir! Happy birthday po. God bless po at nawa patuloy kayong ingatan ng Lord. At salamat po dahil kayo din po ay blessing sa amin. God bless po at happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Raymond! Ayan, sir, dahil hindi pwedeng mag-party-party ngayon, dito na lang ako mag-party-party sa bahay. Happy birthday po ulit at sana marami pa tayong mga projects na pagsasamahan at salamat po sa lahat ng mga tulong nyo sa amin at sa pagiging mabait namin, boss. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless you more and more blessings to come sa ating lahat. Party, party!
Hello sir, happy birthday po. I thank the Lord for your life na tinuturing ko pong mentor. Marami po akong natutunan sa inyo sa work at sa pag-build po ng character ko. I pray na mas pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos with full of wisdom sa paglilid niyo po sa amin sa Argotech and with good health po. Happy birthday sir. Enjoy your day po.
Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, sir. God bless po.
Boss, happy birthday! More projects and more sales to come this year. Sana malusog tayong lahat. Happy birthday to you, boss.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you good health. Ingat po palagi.
Hi sir, happy birthday po. Sir, pasensya na po sa mga kapalpakan nitong taon. Salamat po sir sa salamat po sa mga binibigay ng pangunawa sir. At saka po this year po pipilitin ko po lang improve pa yung mga skills ko at saka yung mga nananalig ko sir para makatulong po sa inyo para makabawi naman po ako sa mga binibigay niyo sir na pagpapala sa amin. Salamat po sir. Muli happy birthday po.
Hi Sir Raymond, happy birthday. Wish ko po sa inyo ay good health for you and your family. Also, more success to Argotech and Apsai for this year and for all the years to come. Ingat po lagi sir and see you when able.
Happy birthday, Boss Raymond. More birthdays and more projects to come. And syempre, more tagay. Mabuhay ka.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, boss. Wish you good health and more success.
And more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Engineer Raymond Rama. Thank you for your continued support to the Department of Geodetic Engineering. May you have more success, better health, and more birthdays to come. God bless.